Okay, good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir. Good
Uh,
Good
morning.
morning.
okay,
Good morning, sir.
my voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have shared PPT with you and it is visible to you. Yes?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
We have started with the first chapter from digital business and we have discussed first point from your first chapter. And now we are going to discuss second point from your first chapter that and we will revise some part of the last lecture and we will go for the next. So we have discussed this picture and in that from that nothing but we have digitalized all the platform of our India, all the business organization or enterprises, schools, or every sector, not any single sector we have left that we are not digitalized. So this is the explanation we have yesterday we have discussed. So this was then we have discussed about the history, how the starting of the internet or how the starting of a digital when it has happened from 1947 to till 2020, how the things are growing and how the internet or digital technology is growing out, how the usage has been growing till 2020, and it is growing day by day. So we have discussed from 1947 to the 2020. We have just discussed highlights of that. Some we are not gone through the brief, but we have discussed into the later. Then we have discussed some of the examples we have taken. We have not taken all the examples. We have taken some highlighted example where the all the changes has been occurred. That is analog computer to digital computer, analog photography to the digital photography. So these are the some examples where we have transformed from the maybe the history analog to the digital. We have converted into the digital, and some of the applications we have there, some of the instruments where we have changed or we are transferred into the digital. So these examples, apps, maybe the softwares, maybe the instrument that we have discussed. So where the transformation can be done, or where the transformation already done. Nowadays, if you see the, I said desktop computer to laptop computer to the tablet computer, maybe there is advancement can be done into the current area scenario. Maybe you go for the LCD, maybe the CRT monitor to the LCD, LCD to LED, then 4K, then maybe the another 3D technology has been come. So these changes are day by day it has coming and maybe the outdated those are some are latest technology are coming in updated into the particular market and we are accepting that. Then after that we have discussed about the what are the significant or what are the importance of digitalization, what are the importance to the digital to the healthcare education services. So these are the points we have discussed. Then we have taken one example, very good example, that is the Aadhaar card. How Aadhaar card has digitalized all the services, all the platforms where all the people of the society, not only single person, all the people of the society are connected to the Aadhaar card and their services, and all the data can be digitalized, saved into the government server. It can be digitalized, saved into the government server. So according to that, the government is taking the decisions, and it can be unique identity number. You can it can be save your all the data. Maybe it may be a biometric, it may be a all the information. So Aadhaar card linked with your PAN card, Aadhaar card linked with your bank account, Aadhaar card linked with maybe the gas subsidy. So very good example of gas subsidy. Where we our Aadhaar card is linked. Maybe the nowadays government is taking initiative and they are strict on the you have to connect your Aadhaar card with the ration card. So there was a scam was going on into the ration card while distributing the uh, products to the society, and it was there. And to how to take care about that? So government has come into with the Aadhaar card. Now how many persons are there into the ration card list? That much that particular persons are connected with the Aadhaar card. Because what happens? There are the duplicate ration card can be provided, created by the various persons. Maybe there are some scams are there. So how to handle that such types of scam? Now this was the Aadhaar card. They have linked with the Aadhaar card now. Now Aadhaar card is a compulsory linking of Aadhaar card. Now you are coming with the maybe the bank also. They have strictly said that your bank account should be connected with the Aadhaar card. So maybe the fraud or corruption can be minimized due to this. So lots of initiative, various initiative taken by the government of our country, that's the government of India. They are taking initiative to how to convert all the platform, all the services to the digital, so we can reach to the target audience or target person. So we can give all the services in a better way to the target person or target to the society without any problem. So this was the maybe the initiative, or this was some benefits of digitalization. So this was a good example. Lots of initiative taken by the government, and they are implemented, and they are implementing into the society, and they are getting a benefit of that. Then government initiative, we have discussed what are the government initiative taken by the to channelize the digitalization, to implement the digitalization. So government of India coming with the various schemes also, various schemes, benefits, and they are fully focusing on that, how it can be converted into the employable things, and it can be very easily accessible things to the society. So they should not be difficult to access the things or access the facilities of the government. Or government, maybe no, not only government, it can be private sector, it can be public sector. So any type of things you can access through your digitalized form. So they are coming with they are trying to minimize the processing things, processing speed. That process can be it can be fast. So these are the some points we have discussed yesterday. Open government data, we are getting the data of all the platform, maybe the how many expenditure we have done into the. For example, yesterday I gave an example of your gram panchayat itself. If you want to take data how much fund is given to the particular gram panchayat, we can get the online itself. We can find out the online details of our gram panchayat, our own gram panchayat. That is the digitalization. Digitalization reached to the not only the smart city, but it has already reached to the your home. It is reached to your maybe your gram panchayat. It is reached to the home by in maybe we are booking a gas and we are getting a cylinder and we are getting a subsidy. So nothing but it is already reached. Digitalization, it is already reached at your home, and maybe there are some updation is going on to try to minimize the scam and frauds into that. So everything government has taken the initiative, as well as public sector, private sector, and maybe the education sector also taking initiative to try to minimize the fraud, scam, corruption, and give the better services to the particular society. So these are the some terms we are discussed yesterday. Then we have discussed effect on education of a digitalization. Yes, there was a good effect, and due to digitalization in pandemic situation, we are survived due to digitalization, because lots of facilities are, if there are lots of services are not digitalized, if it is not there, for example getting a food, getting a maybe the getting a medicine, for example, very good example that lots of application related to the healthcare. For example, we are getting a medicine online. If that digitalization has not happened, and in corona pandemic, and we are not able to go outside, and how it can be possible to get the medicine at a home. So this is the advantage. So we have seen maybe the education sector, if for example Microsoft Team, Google Team, and Zoom, these applications cannot be developed by the particular company for their maybe the work and all these things. We are not use that. Maybe we are not able to study the things. Maybe we are out of the particular platform. So these are the digital platform has given advantages, given a benefits, given a support to the society in the pandemic also, or in the particular in this meeting also. For example, if you are working into the multinational company, that time we have a client from the other countries also. That time we are working on this Zoom app and digital platform, and we are communicating with them. So they have made a tremendous growth into this field, and it has impact on our day-to-day society life. So we are connecting with the particular thing. So digital, for example, you can go for the video calling. Generally, what happens in before 10 years or 10 years, so we have to call through the maybe the landline numbers and landline phones. And today we are calling, we are watching, we are calling through the video calls, and we are seeing the person in front of us. So this was the emergence of digitalization. If it is not there, surely we are not getting the benefit of that. So yes, it has given a good advantages. It has given a good benefits to the society. Maybe say all the companies, maybe all the persons of the society, they are getting benefit of that. So we have discussed that education. Then we have discussed about employment development in gender ratio also. There was a yes, there was a new opportunity has been increased. New opportunities has been opened for the employment for the digitalization due to digitalization. Maybe the computer softwares, maybe related to that, or the maybe the hardware. So related to that, new platforms are available for the job, and maybe the educated student or skilled persons, they are taking the getting the jobs, and if you see the salary packages for these particular things, if you want, if you have the required skills related to the IT and required skill related to the particular field, we are getting a good amount of salary. Then there is a high paid packages into the software industry. So digital platform, that is nothing but software industry or digital. So if you have that knowledge, surely you will get a package more than you expect. So that will be there. If you have skill and you are satisfying their needs, you are satisfying their roles, surely you will get the things. So it's not that the software has come and it has decreased the employment. No, it has increased the employment. So generally it was happen at the initial stage. What happened? New technology has been come. Manufacturing, for example, manufacturing a particular product, we require 10% or 10 employees, and that machine company has implemented a technology into that. Maybe the employment has gone. Maybe 2-3% are removed from the particular job, but new technology has increased the production of the particular company, and it has increased maybe the quality of the product also. So these are some benefits also. Maybe there are some advantages as well as disadvantages, but after some time the things have changed and it has given a employability of to the particular to the society. So it has benefited to the society, digitalization. Now we'll see cost benefit of digitalization every time. When as a manager, you are the manager now. You are taking admission to the MBA, so now you are a manager. Whenever you are going to take a decision, whatever it may be, you have to go for the cost benefit analysis. How much cost I am going to incur and what are the benefits I am getting. If I am expecting 10 rupees and I am getting a 5 rupees as a benefit, then the decision taken by the manager, it is not good. So whenever you can take a simple decision, you can go for the cost benefit analysis. So same thing, cost benefit of digitalization, yes, we can do for that also. So it has a limited cost, a less cost. For example, if you want to sell your two-wheeler bike, so now we can go for the OLX and you can just post an ad. Within a 1 hour, you will get us various calls from the purchaser that we are interested in your bike and we are ready to purchase your bike. So what cost we include? Nothing cost we include. Just we have login, we have created our user ID and user login, and we have just posted our photographs of our two-wheeler, and we have said that this will be the amount and this will be the place, and these are the some terms and conditions. Nothing we have said. So this was the effect, digitalization. So getting the right customer or getting the right product to the right customer, it is due to the digitalization. Any product can be sold by the at any place. So there is no need to physically go to the particular place, check the product and check the quality and order the product. Nowadays we are not doing that. Nowadays we are getting the, for example, if you have to purchase a four-wheeler also, four-wheeler car. Generally, we see that four-wheeler cars are we can purchase also on online also platform. Nowadays, they are giving a 360 views, 360 views of your car. How the cars can be look like, how the interior was there, how the doors are there, what will be the engine type, how the boot space will be there. So everything can be given a digitalized and it can be 360 view. Instead of going to the particular that showroom, we can sitting at home. We are going to see that. For example, choosing a very good example how the digital revolution can be done in every field. A very good example. If you go for the example of cool wings or those were maybe Titan का जो Titan I Plus. Have you heard the name Titan I Plus? Titan I Plus. Anyone? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Maybe if you have to purchase a spec online, then what are the things are there? Have you visited this particular thing? Digital revolution, how it can be done? Spec, if you want to purchase a spec through the online, generally you can go for the optician and you can purchase the spec. Now, we want to purchase the spec, you can go to the online platform. Maybe for example, you can go for the Titan Plus or Coolwings will be there, and other websites will be there. So they are taking your measurement, and once you open the camera, they automatically take your capture your maybe the measurement of your head or face and how it will look like, and you can wear the spec and you can see that how the spec is look like. मतलब आप देख सकते हो कि ये मुझे स्पेक्ट कैसे दिख रहा है. पहले हम 100 स्पेक्ट लगा के देखते थे फिजिकली एंड देन वी कैन सिलेक्टिंग वन ऑफ देम. But now we are sitting at a home and we can check the specs at a place itself. This was the revolution can be done. It has in this the digital business. Optician में जाने का then we have to check the things and we have to go for that. No, now everyone can they are coming with these things. So nothing but it is a one type of attractiveness, maybe the promotional things that maybe it can be a disadvantage those who are not going digital. Maybe some local optician will be there. They are selling the maybe the spec and they don't have this type of facility. Maybe they are losing their customers. So this may be the disadvantage. But those who are coming, those who are digitally, they are providing this thing. They are targeting the local customer as well as the global customer. Global customer through the website and all these things. So this is the change and this is the revolution is happened due to the digitalization. This is the one sector or one department we can take a spec. If you want to purchase a spec, that can be possible through the online itself. So we can get the things. So maybe we'll get the benefits also. So the cost benefit analysis, maybe we have done. Maybe there are some cost benefit analysis to the everything they are true, and it has a give of benefits more. If you go for digitalization, it will give you benefits more. Nowadays there was a disadvantages of digitalization. So one of the example, if you post maybe OLX, I give an example of OLX. So what happens? There was a frauds are going on OLX. Generally, it is going on. Yes or no? OLX.
Yes, sir.
What are the frauds?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Anteshwar, can you have some example, live example? Any example? Maybe some incident happened with you. Some of the, if it is there, you can share with me. So digital, yes, we are doing digital, but we should know, we should be literate into that. One of the example from one of my friend has posted one post that I have to sell this particular product. I'm not telling that particular product and particular name of the product. This was happening in the last before 2 days. It was with my friend itself. Within a fraction of a second, maybe the post has not been displayed into the maybe the OLX. He got the call from the particular person that we are interested into your product and we are purchasing your product. Kindly share your mobile number. Yes, but he is an IT person. And he was very crucial. He is very sincere into that. He is he's interested into that particular, and he's working into that. And he has checked that user ID. When user ID has been created, who has called to that particular, who has called to him, he has checked that the user ID or user has been created before 1 minute or 2 minutes. There are a person are sitting. When the ad has been posted on OLX, they directly create a new user ID and they can contact with you and say that you can share with your phone numbers and maybe the things can be go. Maybe it will be a good thing and maybe wrong thing. Maybe how it can be depends upon you, how you are reacting with it. Then he has blocked that number because he is a literate person, IT literate, and he has IT software. So he come to know that he is a fraud and he has blocked that particular account. So this was the things are happening. Maybe they are getting the call. Maybe for example, Facebook पे देखोगे, we are selling a product or selling a LED TV at 12,000 rupees, 55 inch TV हम 12,000 में बेच रहे हैं, and we are getting, if we call them, that they are saying that yes, I am transferring from Pune to the particular this thing. Maybe we are getting the fraud call such types of that. I am Indian. I am working in the Indian Army. I am transferring from this particular place to this particular place, and we want to sell this immediately. These calls are coming now. We are getting these calls, and frauds can be done. Maybe there will be the movie on that particular things. There was a movie that everything can be shared into that. So these things can be done. So literacy it is required. So cost benefit analysis. Then we have discussed these graphs. Then now we go to the next, that is emergence of new jobs in the digital India. Yes, make in India, made in India, and digital India. Make in India. What is the make in India? Anyone? Make in India? Mohit? Make in India? Mohit? Make in India? What is the make in India? I am audible to all of you. Only Pallavi is giving answer. What about the others? Mohit, what is the make in India? Sneha? Sneha? Sneha Bhange? Can you answer make in India? It should be interactive session so I can come to know that yes, you are present at the class. So make in India. What is make in India?
So the
Yes, Sneha.
production of the product should be in India.
Yeah, and what is the made in India? Made in India and make in India are both the same or different? Make in India and made in India. If you are purchasing, am
Different.
I? Huh? Yes, Pallavi? Yes, please.
Sir, sir, there is a difference between the Making in India and Made in India.
Yes, please. What is the difference?
Uh, so Made in India, as she said, that all the products should made from our India, and Make in India is for the new startup companies, don't
Hmm.
who have not the fund to
Hmm.
start their business.
Okay. Maybe those who are foreign company, for example, if you those who are MI mobile phones, those who have, if you see on your book, they have make in India, and if you see that make in India. So maybe the foreign companies they are producing their product in, they have to produce into the our country itself. So make in India, made in India. आप यहाँ पे ही बनाओ, make in India. So what happens? What is the initiative? Why government has taken initiative? It will increase the employability of the Indian government of India. So this is the initiative taken by the India. So why we are compulsory we are doing that. You have to produce your product into the India itself and you can sell into the India itself. What happens? Production can be done at any other country and we are purchasing that particular. For example, various foreign brands. For example, Mercedes, then Kia, maybe the Volkswagen. So these companies are located into the Pune itself nowadays. You will see that MI mobile phones, Oppo mobile phones. So these are the things. LED के देखोगे तो उसके प्रोडक्शन के जो भी है that products it is coming into the India itself. So it has increased the employability. This is the initiative taken by the government. Same thing into the digital also. Make in India, made in India, now digital India. This already taken by the government and it has implemented day by day. It has the uses of that digital India is increasing day by day. So these are the emergence of new jobs in digital India. Lots of are there, but I have taken some of them. If you see the PPT is visible to you. PPT is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now
Yes,
we will
sir.
see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Now these are the emergence. So I have taken some of them. Those who are maybe the highlighted or these are those who are into the first 10. There is a huge requirement for those peoples or those skilled persons due to the digitalization. So we'll see that 3D print technician. Now what happens if you want to print particular things? Now there has been changed 3D view, 3D printing into the maybe the your banners, maybe the 3D advertisements. So now there is a need of that particular. Now, for example, your TV also has come with the 3D, your 4K and maybe the advanced techniques, maybe these things. So there are need of 3D print technicians also because digital printing that is okay. So we are going to the particular digital, yeah, and he is doing on Corel Draw, and yes, we are generally printing a banner. But nowadays there is a need of more than that. How the digital can be 3D view of the particular buildings. For example, if you go for the constructions also, they are showing. If you go on to purchase some flats and if you go for the see the flat show flats, they are showing a video clips. हमें वीडियो क्लिप्स दिखाया जाता है कि ये बिल्डिंग कैसा दिखेगा, इसमें फ्लैट ऐसे रहेंगे. So nothing but it is a 3D view can be given to that particular building or particular that design. So these types of technicians are required in more in numbers. So due to this digital platform, it is there. Now second, virtual reality designer. We are virtual reality now. You will see that VR कैमरा करके भी आता है हम and we are seeing that कि हम yes we are the part of that, we are the part of that. हम मूवी वगैरह देखते ना 3D हुई, this 3D का एक एक्सटेंशन है, this is the extension to the that particular things. हम 3D मूवी देखते हैं तो हम गॉगल डाल के देखते हैं तो हमें लगता है कि we are the part of that movie. So now virtual reality, you will be the part of that particular things. आपको लगेगा कि मैं ही I'm into that. So virtual reality will be there. So it was a vast subject into that. There is a requirement of that. And one more third, that is a data scientist. So data scientist, there is a huge number of persons or number of employees are required. If you go for any job sites in the Naukri.com, Times.com, and if you write data scientist, lots of employees, lots of posts related to the requirement has to become. So there is a huge requirement for the data scientist. Why? Now, why data scientist? Because all the data nowadays, all the data is digitalized and saved. All the data are digitalized and saved into the server. But data is saved into the server. But what is the use of the data? हम उसके ऊपर जब काम करेंगे, when we can analyze that particular data, that time it is in full. That time it is useful for the organization. Data, it is a raw facts and figures. It is a computer type of definition. That is the data. Data nothing but it is a raw facts and figures. There is no meaning. There is nothing. We are not able to identify the information from that. Data, it is a raw facts and figure. Then when we can say information? When we can say the information? Anyone information definition? What is the definition of information? Those also from the IT background, maybe they come to know that what is the information? Data and information. There is a difference. Data are raw facts and figures. We cannot take any decision from the data. We cannot take the decision from the data. Maybe we have done some projects. We are collecting the data through the questionnaire. We are collecting the data through the questionnaire. Data हमें मिल जाएगा. We get the data. But when it can be a information, when we can analyze the data, we can process the data, and it will give some result to you. A process the data by using some statistical tool, maybe the mathematical test or mathematical calculation, then it can be converted into the information. Data है, but data can be processed, data can be analyzed, then it can create the information to the particular organization. So data to information. So data scientist plays very important role into that particular thing. Data we have, information we have. Now extend of that information, how information can be used as a strategy. Data scientist plays very important role. Whatever information we have, whatever information we got, how that information can be used to sell our product, to promote our product into the particular, maybe the society, particular target customer. So data scientist, lots of data is there, everything, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, uncountable data it will be there. So how it can be converted? A data scientist will be played a very important role. Now big data analytics, it is also term related to digitalization, IT, big data analytics. There maybe we can say big data, nothing but large amount of data it will be there. A simple definition, we are not doing detail. Big data has a vast subject into that. There is a huge requirement of, there are lots of tools are there where data can be analyzed. Big data analytics will be the part of that. Then one of the good example, that is the next platform where is a huge requirement is required, the required of a skilled person are machine learning scientists. So once again, one of the leading domain nowadays, data scientist, and second is a machine learning engineer, machine learning scientist. Have you heard the name machine learning? What is machine learning? Anyone? Because there is a huge requirement for those people. Machine learning. Nowadays we are a part of that machine learning. Machine learning. What is the machine learning? Anyone can understand machine learning? What mean by machine learning? Anyone? All are present?
Yes.
Digital learning.
Digital learning. Okay, good. Machine learning. Machine learning, nothing but what happens? Generally, for example, if we go for the one example we can take, we can go for the CT scan. A very good example, CT scan we can go. Generally, we can go for the CT scan. Whenever CT scan, maybe the those who are doctors, they are going to, there is a machine, CT scan का एक machine रहेगा, उसमें हम that patient will be go into that particular machine and they were going to check that particular maybe his brain, maybe the particular part, and he is going to check. A doctor, expert. We want an expert for that. CT scan. If you want to do a CT scan, we want an expert, or we want a technician who is having a knowledge of that particular thing. Now technician करेगा, हम lab technician करते हैं. Lab, we are checking a blood. Blood sample can be checked by the DMLT person also, and there should be MD pathology also. Yes or no? MD pathology and DMLT also, they can check the blood. But the reports can be generated by the particular pathology lab. But the decision can be taken on the particular reports can be done by the expert. That is a doctor. Yes or no? That is done by the doctor. So same thing, if you want to go for the CT scan, patient has been gone to the CT scan, report can be generated by the technician. Report can be generated by the technician. Some images can be drawn, some graphs can be drawn, or some images of the particular parts, brain can be taken. Then that particular images cannot be processed or cannot be understood by the technician. उसको कुछ पता नहीं रहेगा. उसको बस फोटोग्राफ लेगा. He will taking from the this view, front view, rear view. He will take the decisions. He will take the particular he will take the pictures and he will show the this. Then the reports will be go to the doctor. Now doctor will check that and he will say that there is some tumor will be there. There should be some problems will be there. There is some clots are there. ये doctor लेगा and then decision can be taken. Nowadays there are some machineries are there. Machine को हमने computer को इतना train किए हैं. We are training the computers. We are training the machines on these particular reports. हम रिपोर्ट से जो हमने रिपोर्ट निकाला है, that reports we are giving to the computer. और हम कंप्यूटर को बोलते हैं that if such types of images will be there into the particular machine, particular that photograph, if such types of images will be there, and if it is there, then you can say that it is a cancer. Because expert has said that it is when it is like that, it is a cancer. And we are training lots of images. We are giving lots of images to the computer to train on that images. कि कैंसर के इमेजेस और कैंसर नहीं है ऐसे इमेजेस हम कंप्यूटर को दोनों ही देते हैं. Then computer will train. Computer itself we can train on that particular thing. And next time, whenever we get the report, we can give the report to the computer, and computer will give you result that particular patient has a cancer or not. Human can do the mistakes, but computers cannot do the mistakes. Humans, for example, these are some characteristics of computers. Maybe at the time of basics of computers, we are learning reliability. Computers can work at night also, but doctors, maybe he has some physical. Maybe he is not able to do. So this is the things. So हम machine को train करेंगे, so he can take a decision. So this is the one example that machine learning can be done. Nowadays there was a growth is going. There was lots of advancement is going into the medical field, automobile field. Nowadays driverless car has been already come. Driverless car, a very good example of digitalization. A driverless car. Can you list the name? Which was the driverless car? Driverless car has come. Shubham?
Yes, sir. It's an automated part.
Automated car, driverless car, it is already come into the market. Maybe India, it is not there most probably. Driverless car it has come. Tesla will be the good name. Maybe in coming days, this was the leading company. Those are providing this thing. So how it can be controlled? Automatic brake system. Generally, what happens? We are going to check the. हम ब्रेक कब लगाते हैं, हम देखते हैं कि आगे वाला जो है व्हीकल स्लो जा रहा है एंड तब हमारा स्पीड कितना है, आगे वाला कहाँ पे है. Then we are going to check the measure the distance. Automatically our brain can measure the distance. Yes, now need to take a break. But what about the Tesla? How they are going to take? Then Tesla will take the camera picture, then go to the ignition. What will be the speed? It will process that and automatically it will press a brake. How much we are going to press the brake? हम प्रेस करते हैं धीरे कब जोर से दबाना है ब्रेक और कब धीरे ब्रेक दबाना है. Now how it can take decision? A machine is taking decision. That particular car is taking decision itself, and it was now on a road itself. That is a proven car that इसमें कुछ problem नहीं है nowadays. So this was thing. So camera images, maybe the side में कोई कार आ रही है, पीछे कुछ कार आ रही है. Everything can be processed at a simultaneously. The processing speed required. So this is nothing but it is one of the application of machine learning and data scientist. It is one of the application of machine learning. This is the digitalization revolution. पहले हम कार लेते थे हम खुद ही चलाते, नाउ देयर इज नो नीड टू पर्सन टू ड्राइव अ कार। पहले हमें पता लगना चाहिए, हमें वी वांट अ पर्सन जिसको रोड पता है, दैट पर्सन वी आर टेकिंग इनटू द आवर कार एंड आवर व्हीकल एंड वी कैन से अरे यस शो मी द रोड हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू गो टू द पर्टिकुलर प्लेस। Nowadays a Google Maps, it will give you the right path to reach to the particular place, not to the right path, it will give a shortest path without traffic, shortest path without traffic. This is the transformation to the digitalization. Human can do that? No. Human can show that this is the highway, this is the road, this is the thing. But a digital, that Google map gives you the particular path, how much time. He will calculate the time in advance also. When you put a path, a starting point and destination point, it will show you the how much time required to reach the particular destination. By walking, how much destination, by car, how much destination, by public services, how much, by rail, how much time required. So this is the maybe the digitalization. How the calculation can be done? On the what basis? How the process can be done? What is the processing time required? Digital image captured by the particular satellite, then satellite gives you the that in your application, processed and you will get the immediate result. So what will be the processing time and what will be the things? So really it will be the maybe it will be the understanding, we have to understand the things. So maybe it has created the business. It has created the business to the various things. Google Maps has created a business for whom? It has created business. It is an entrepreneurship opportunity to the particular various, and now they are leader into these particular things. Anyone? Google Maps has given the opportunity to that particular business. Which industry? Anyone? I am audible to all of you, and whatever I am talking, it is understandable by you. Or I am going fast.
Yes, sir. Understanding. Not
Understanding.
fast.
Okay. We are taking Google Maps, and Google Maps has taken application. Google Maps application can be used by one or two companies. More than 2-3 companies are they are using, and they are running their businesses, and they are earning so much money. A very good example that is Uber.
Sir, Ola and Uber.
And Uber. Maybe go for the Zomato and go for the Uber Eats and maybe some of these apps also. Uber, if they don't have Google Maps, they are not able to track the things. So it was a business. Uber, they don't have a single car. Ola, maybe they don't have a single car of own, but they are driving lots of, they have the owner of the more number of cars. They are giving a business to them with the help of a Google Map, with the help of the particular map application. So this was the digitalization has been happened, and this was has been created an opportunity to with us. Now if you see the current news, how the मतलब हम क्या बोलते हैं कि how we can start the business entrepreneurship, how we can start the entrepreneurship. क्या करें हम आज क्या we are going to start the business, but कैसे business start करें, क्या प्रोडक्ट बनाएं, कौन सा प्रोडक्ट बनाएं. You will see the today's newspaper और आपने न्यूज चैनल पे देखा होगा टीवी 9 पे. Anyone from Kolhapur? Anyone from Kolhapur, that particular district? Yes, Sanket. Have you seen the news? हाँ? चाय पी ली क्या? चाय पी ली क्या आपने सब लोगों ने? Have you taken tea? Yes, a very good question to you. इसका तो आंसर दे दो. चाय पिया कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then there was yes, sir. Okay, chai. There was some product has been come into the market into the Kolhapur itself. There was I come to the TV9 news channel. Just I'm going through the YouTube channel. I come from that from the Kolhapur that there are two students up to entrepreneurship. They have started a cup with the biscuits. So generally we have plastic cups. We are taking the tea and we are throwing that into the dustbin, and it can be a waste. And maybe it is not disposable waste. If it is a plastic, we are generally taking a cup of tea, maybe a cup of tea, in that particular tea, plastic tea. It is coated with the plastic and it can be hazardous to our health also. Tea taken into that particular cup. But now they are coming with this new product that they have made a product with the biscuits. So that can acquire the tea. We can take a tea through that particular cup, and at the time of end of the tea, we can eat that biscuits cup. So this will be the new advantage, new things, and maybe that particular price of that particular cup will be the 3 rupees for the they have kept. So this was the news. This was the new idea, and maybe they are getting huge demand for that into that, and it was improvement. We are not thinking from that perspective. We are not thinking from the perspective. They are thinking, and it was required. Nowadays, it is required for us because if you see the pandemic situation, we are using the same cup of tea. They are giving and they are cleaning the thing, and we are taking the same. Maybe it will try to control the these types of transferable diseases also. So it was a good initiative taken by them, and it was a good entrepreneurship. The product they have started. Really, it was a very good that I heard. So these types of things can be we have to identify. Why I'm giving example because you are the MBA students, and maybe the coming 2 years, maybe some of I'm expecting that some of you should be entrepreneurship into that. Maybe some new concepts should be coming into mind. Why we have taken the that idea competition by the WhatsApp. So this is the one platform. This is the basic platform to you think from that perspective. This is the one basic platform. So same thing into digitalization that it has created. So digital enterprise, user experience manager, social media manager, maybe your Facebook account, Twitter account, maybe these things can be managed by the particular your. Nowadays, if you see that nowadays generally क्या होता है कि government has given us some GR also. GR हमें physically आते हैं. Nowadays, someone has Twitter on Twitter. They have tweet something that this will be the tweet. So that will be the nowadays it can be maintained as a decision taken by the government. Maybe some of the decisions are coming on Twitter also. Some of the decisions are coming on Facebook also. This was the revolution. ये revolution हुआ है ना? Yes or no? Even the education minister has Twitter on Twitter. Yes, your college will be start on the particular 15th of these things. So this was the prime minister. We also going to tweet on the particular things, particular social media platform. So we need that. Nowadays they also transforming from the physical or manually things are there. They are also transforming to the digital platform, and socially they are reaching to the particular thing. Now SEO, search engine optimization, and it is a part of digital marketing. Those who are looking for a marketing specialization, yes, they should be know about the social media, and they must know, not should, they must know about the SEO, search engine optimization. Anyone can discuss SEO. It was maybe if you go for the Google, and it was the most searched word into the Google also. SEO, search engine optimization. Anyone? Those who are from the IT background, those who are working into marketing. Generally nowadays marketing door to door nowadays it is closed. Door to door marketing nowadays it is closed. Generally we are going to the door to door and we are selling the product, and we are meeting to the particular customer, and we are telling to these are some facilities, these are the products, these are the services. Nowadays they are decreased at 90%. Yes or no? Are you agree for this? Whatever I said.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nowadays what happens? Now those who are coming for the marketing, MBA marketing, those who are coming for the MBA marketing, yes, not only manual things we have to learn. We have to fully focus on the digital also. 40% you can work on manually, but 60% you have to work for the digital. Everything should be digital. Maybe you get an app. Nowadays opening a bank account. A very good example, opening a bank account. What happens? We have to do that. We have to take lots of documents, physical documents. Take a xerox of light bill. Take a xerox of maybe the Aadhaar card. Take a xerox of maybe the PAN card, and go to the bank and sit into that particular, wait into the queue and fill the form physically and give it to them. Take the 8 to 10 days to give you the passbook and transaction. Nowadays, if you call to the customer care within particular day itself, आपके यहाँ पे कस्टमर केयर का एग्जीक्यूटिव आ गया, उसके आधे घंटे में आपका बैंक अकाउंट ओपन होता है. They are taking only thumb impression, and thumb impression is connected with your Aadhaar card connected with your maybe the account, and they are coming with the kit also. And they are already connected. So these are also salesperson. These are the salesperson. Those who are coming to your home to open the account, he is a salesperson. Maybe he is a marketing person. Now, marketing person, he will come into your place, but what he is doing only digital things. Digitally, he is typing the name, and digitally he is taking your thumb impression, and yes, your account has been created. So this was the revolution can be done. We have to do into that. Maybe for example, if you go for the HR field also, maybe marketing, HR, finance, and these are the some fields are there into the MBA, and business analytics will be there. So where marketing one we have seen HR, HR person, those who are coming for those are going for the HR to source the employee, maybe to find the employee for the job, to find the candidate for the job. Physically they are not going to check the things. They have to go for the naukri.com, open the things, right, give the filters, nothing but apply the filters for that, the age between particular thing, we want a graduation, we want a postgraduate, we want a mechanical engineer, we want an MBA person with 3 years of experience. So what we are applying, manually करना होता तो we are not, but nowadays HR manager is also using the technology to find out the right person for the right job. Maybe the giving the post. Now you can see the very good example. Times of India, if you are reading, nowadays if you have to read the must. Times of India, then Economic Science and Business Standards, pink papers generally we can call them. So these papers we have to read. Times of India, when the jobs are coming into the Times of India, when job advertisements are coming, on which day? Anyone? On which day the jobs advertisements are coming into the Times of India? Very general question I'm asking. आते हैं क्या उसमें jobs? Please answer. So it should be interactive. मुझे ही बोलना है तो that will not be interactive and it was not a good session. Times of India में आते हैं jobs advertisement? Anyone? Anyone? Saurabh? Saurabh? Mohit? Nikita? Times of India, have you know that Times of India's newspaper is there? If you heard the name of Times Ascent, it is coming on a daily Wednesday in a week. Wednesday पे आता है वो, and it will coming with a lots of jobs into that, various openings into that. But nowadays maybe the jobs are coming less, so it has been digitally platform. Now marketing, HR, we are covered with the going with the finance also. Finance, very good example. You can go for the bank itself. Nowadays you can go for the bank itself. Everything can be digitalized. Finally, there are lots of registers are put into the banks, and they are going to check your account number, where it is the number, account number, which register it is there, and they are going to manually do the entry. What was the last balance? What was the current balance? They are writing the manual entry, and they are taking so much time. Nowadays, you can put you can give a slip within a fraction of a second. You can get the things. Maybe how digital has been changed into the banking sector also. पहले हमें लाइन में खड़ा रहना था, और we have to print the passbook. Nowadays, already barcode pasted on your passbook. You just enter your passbook, and automatically it will check your balance. It will connect your account. Ultimately, it will check the things, and automatically it will printing from the last statement. So this was the digital revolution can be done. This was the digital revolution that has been done already. There is no need of physical existence of particular physical existence of the particular physical existence of people for to the print the particular passbook. So no need of that digital. Internet banking, very good example. We can do the transfer from the by sitting at home. पहले जाओ DD निकालो, then check निकालो, then this thing. No, now there is no need. If you want to send a request, we can send through your mobile phone. So this is the digital. We are just one of the applications of a finance. One of the application of finance, that is a banking. Lots of are there. If we go for the insurance also be there. Now we can taking an insurance online also. We can taking an insurance online also. They are providing a list of that. So no any field it is there that digital has been not there. So this was the thing. Now emergence of new jobs in digital India. So as an MBA, maybe we are marketing, we are HR, we are other anyone, any specialization. Yes, we should know, we should expert into the digital platform. It is a necessary. So emergence of new job in digital India, 40 skills around digital, cloud and distributed computing. These are some software skills I am telling, but you must know which you require. Marketing campaign management, it is required by the management students. Statistical analysis, it is required by the management student. That is, we have into the data machine into the business analysis, we have Tableau and Power BI. That in that we are covering that. But MBA person, MBA student, the student must know SEO and SEM marketing. What is the search engine optimization? Then the middleware integration, it's okay. Mobile development, okay, but mobile application, how to use mobile application, and that things we want. Network and information, web architecture and development, user interface design, that is for software industry, software. Channel marketing, it is required for the MBA students. Virtualization, business intelligence, Java development, economics, software. So these are some software related, electronic related, but you should at least reiterate whenever the new application is built there, you are able to handle that application very smoothly without any problem. So yes, you can do that. Now we are going to one of the example, that is the digital payment. Yes, making India a cashless economy through the digital payment. So we are going to study digital economy in the next next PPT, where digital payment can be done. So making India cashless economy. So now we see the everything can be done digitally, digital payment. So if you see that card first machine is cardless, card swap कर रहा है, card ये करता है. Then if you come with the mobile application, then internet banking. So nowadays what revolution into the card also. See, हमारा जो mobile card, हमारा जो credit card है, debit card है, maybe the debit card it is not coming with the particular thing, but the credit card is coming with the Wi-Fi facility. Yes or no? Credit card is coming with the Wi-Fi facility.
Yes.
Yes. So we, what is the limit of the particular transaction if you have to go for the Wi-Fi facility? Anyone? This was the general question I am asking, but you students should know that. It was a general thing. But yes, whenever maybe the question will become, what will be the limit for that? How much limit can be do through the Wi-Fi connection? If you go for the digital payment, what will be any limit? Is there any limit? Is there any limit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Udesh. How much?
5,000.
5,000. No. Anyone?
So
Others?
30,000.
30,000. No. No 30,000. Okay. Next lecture, you have to tell me what will be the limit when we can go for the Wi-Fi card payment. This was the next I expect answer from you people, you students. So this was the digital platform. Now we are going for the digital. Then we are going for the wallet also. We are getting wallet. Lots of UPI apps are available into the market. Maybe the mobile apps are there. Mobile websites, internet websites are there. We are, for example, PhonePe, Google Pay, PayZapp. Maybe the mobile banking application, maybe the Axis Bank application, SBI application. All the banks, they have their own applications. So PhonePe, PhonePe, PayZapp, and Google Pay, maybe they are ready. Maybe the other applications are there where we are paying through the UPI. UPI also one of the BHIM UPI. Then BHIM has been initiated by the government of India. So lots of initiative taken by the government nowadays to the convert to the transition with the transition manually to the digital, and it is almost we have converted. We are transformed to the digital platform. Nowadays, if you want to take a tea, चाय पीने का भी जाएंगे तो आप we are paying through the Google Pay. Scan the QR code and we are paying the things. If you want to purchase the vegetable also nowadays, due to this pandemic, we are not paying the cash because it will spread the corona also. So nowadays it has increased the tremendous increases into the particular online payment through the digital. Scan the QR code and pay the things. So it has increased the transparency into the operations. So these are the some benefits. These are the some opportunities. Some ideas we are discussing into that into the current today's lecture. So we are not went to the second lecture, but second slide, that is maybe in the next lecture we are going to discuss introduction to economics and digital economics. We are going to discuss in the next lecture. So okay, we will stop here today. And have you understood whatever we have discussed today?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Everyone. Okay, then
Yes.
we'll stop here, and tomorrow we will meet at the same time and we will discuss digital economy and how digital economy can be there, and some of the part of the first point we are going to discuss. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, please be.